Ramprasad Chaurasia arrives at Imphal to take charge of Najma Heptullah. For the first time in the past 6 days, cases again crossed the 40,000 mark on Wednesday. The Union Health Ministry today said that 44,19,627 people were vaccinated across the country in the last 24 hours. A one-day advocacy cum awareness program on COVID-19 vaccination was held at APFII Salika, Senapati today. Senapati District CSOs, NPO, SDWA, SDSA, in collaboration with State Health Department and District Administration, organized the program. 5 MLAs from Barak Valley submitted memorandum to the Chief Ministers of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, demanding to declare August 13 as state holiday to commemorate that anniversary of Bir Tikendrazit. Irong Mathak Development Committee to shed forth a written petition to the Chief Minister to acknowledge the war on drug campaign in the locality. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren was delighted to see the fully grown cherry trees planted at Luang Sangbam 2 years ago on the Chief Minister Green Mission Manipur on his inspection today. Chief Minister also hoped for a cleaner future on seeing the site provided if committed to the cause of protecting the environment. Opposition leaders from the various parties, including the Congress, Shiv Sena and others, marched towards Vijay Chowk in New Delhi on Thursday to highlight their protest over the Pegasus spyware row, farm laws and other issues. Tokyo Olympic medalist Loflina Borgohain has reached her home state Assam this morning. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma received her at the airport. India's javelin star Neeraj Chopra has moved up 14 places to the world number 2 in the latest World Athletics main javelins ranking, updated earlier this week. Neeraj was ranked 16 before he headed to the Olympics, but the 23-year-old has bolted past several big names on the rankings after winning the gold medal in Tokyo. Amid the Taliban breach in capturing Afghanistan, the fighters have claimed that it has gained control of an attack helicopter that was gifted by India. The Taliban claimed it had taken control of an Mi-24 attack helicopter donated by India to the Afghanistan forces. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau condemned the jailing of Canadian businessman Michael Spavor in China on Wednesday as unacceptable and unjust. The Indian rupee appreciated 17 paise to 74.27 against the US dollar in opening trade on Thursday. Equities and weak American currency. Besides, fresh foreign fund inflows also supported the domestic unit, Forex dealer said.